Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this palette right here. This is the Queen of Diamonds from Rude Cosmetics. Yeah, Rude Cosmetics. This came in my Glitz Glam box bag for the month of, I think it was September. I don't know, but it came in one of the Glitz Glam ones, and this has, that's what it looks like on the inside. This has right here 3 lips, there you go, 3 lip colors, 6 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlighter. Now usually with my first impressions I try to put all the eyeshadows on, so there's only 6 here. That's not going to be super challenging. I am going to use a blush, I am going to use a highlighter, and I'm going to use at least 1 lip color. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these and be right back. Alright, so here is everything swatched. You can see that color is pretty much my skin tone. So, yep, and these are kind of more of a gloss than anything, so don't really know how that's going to work out for me, but this is what we're going with, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is cover the eyelid with this color right here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this color right here.
Let's take control. Let the feelings take control.
Okay, so I think now I'm going to go in with this dark color right here.
Let the feelings take control. Let the feelings take control. Let the feelings take control.
Okay, so I'm going to buff it out a little bit more with this color right here.
Let the feelings take control.
Okay, so I'm trying to decide how I'm going to do this next part. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this bright color on the inner part of the eyelid, and then use this one on the outer part because it kind of goes into more of a brown tone. So I'm going to try that and see how that works.
Let the feelings take control. Let the feelings take.
Okay, that I like. So now I'm going to do under the eyes with the same 2 shimmer colors.
Mama told me to be loved.
Alright, so now we're going to line the eyes. I'm going to start with the bottom waterline with Marc Jacobs. Okay, for top liner we are using Elam Mask.
Mama told me to be loved. The feelings take control. Let the feel.
Okay, for mascara we are using Marc Jacobs.
Let's take control. Let the feelings take control.
Okay, so now we are moving into the highlighter right there, and I am going to put that all over my face.
Let the feelings take control.
Can't really see it on camera, but it's there. Okay, so now we're going to use the blush here.
Let the feelings take control. Let the feelings take control.
part is done. Now we are going to do a lip color. And I think I'm going to mix this one and this one together because that one seems a little too berry for what I'm going for today. So I'm going to mix those two. And I'm just going to use my finger.
The feelings take control. The feelings take control.
Okay, there is my finished look. So let's go ahead and talk about the palette. The eyeshadows themselves applied beautifully, creamy, wonderful. There was a little kick up with the shimmers, normal. I didn't experience really much fallout in any of the eyeshadow colors. You can tell under my eyes, nothing really fell, so that is wonderful. The highlight is pretty. You can't really see it on camera, but it's a nice sheer shimmer, and I like that for kind of more of a natural look. The blush is way more pigmented than I expected. I think it's a beautiful color. It's just don't go in heavy-handed with it. The glosses are great, really pretty colors. The one thing I will have to complain about the palette is I would have preferred that, like, instead of putting these in pans, I would have preferred like an additional, like, something that breaks away from the rest of the palette, because the thing is, you know, although this is super great for traveling, I think it's very small, very compact, so it's great for traveling. But the thing that I would have liked is like just these 3 glosses in a breakaway, because you're not going to reapply that part during the day, but you are going to reapply your lips during the day multiple times, most likely. So for me, it would make sense to be able to carry the glosses in my purse all day rather than a whole palette. But that is my only complaint and my thoughts on this palette. So if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this palette, and if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.